Hello, my name is Anita Thompson, and I am a digital engineer for the Nevada Digital Learning Collaborative for the Department of Education. I am going to take you on a tour of all of the SEL resources that Class Dojo has to offer. All right, here is Class Dojo. It is a completely free site, and what began as a behavior management tool and a communication tool has grown and expanded to include digital portfolios and resources for providing SEL, which is what we're going to get into right now. So you will find all of the SEL resources under Big Ideas videos. And here we have several topics within the social and emotional learning, which include growth mindset, perseverance, empathy, gratitude, mindfulness, moods and attitudes, which was newly added, along with big challenges, respect, and positive thinking. Each of these topics includes videos that serves as episodes for one overarching story. Some of them include videos of real people or real events that take place, but have to do with the topic in question. Each video each topic includes a synopsis. So it gives you a general idea of what the episodes are about. And each video is roughly about 5 minutes long. Okay, they are very short and engaging. The newer videos are animated, and the older videos, they're like storybooks that have been recorded and narrated. But in my experience, all of my students have loved watching them. Along with each video comes with discussion questions, and you will see them when you click on a video. Discussion questions are set up to where you can have it displayed on your board if you're in person, or you can have it displayed virtually as well. If you use Class Dojo with your families, once you have completed it, you could share it through Class Story, and your families can see what your class has been learning about. Along with those questions, which are also provided here in the discussion guide, as well as teacher tips, you also have resources to send home, and the conversation can continue with the families, all of which can be shared virtually as well. So, Class Dojo is mainly geared for elementary. I definitely recommend staying within that age group. The way everything is set up may be too juvenile for middle and high school. Okay. Again, everything is found under Big Ideas videos. So this is Class Dojo, and again, it is completely free, and it meets the requirements to be approved by SB 4100. All right, so that was Class Dojo. Again, my name is Anita Thompson. I am a digital engineer. And if you have any further questions, you can email me at athompson.nvdlc@gmail.com. Thank you.